Introduce highlight features or overview summary of KIrSwp above ground pool skimmer. There are features include high quality material. KIrSwp wall mount surface skimmer is made of durable polypropylene plastic that can withstand sun exposure and pool chemical corrosion such as chlorine and bromine, which greatly prolongs the lifespan. Compared with the same pool skimmers that only last a year on the market, you could use it for several pool seasons by only paying once for our pool skimmer, which keeps long-term stability and guards your pool's cleanliness. Easy setup. Installation is straightforward. With an adjustable mounting bracket, you can easily attach the pool skimmer to the pool side wall without the need to adjust the water levels. Our pool skimmer can be conveniently installed on various types of above-ground pools such as those with inflatable collars, metal frames, and tubular structures. To match different pool types, our brackets can be adjusted to the width of your pool side and can be better fixed to your pool. Auto skimming. Once connected to and activated by the filter pump, the above-ground pool surface skimmer will automatically skim all the little bugs and leaves from the surface of the pool before they sink to the bottom. For best skimming results, it requires a filter pump with a minimum flow rate of 800 GPH or higher. Simply attach the skimmer and in a quarter of an hour, your pool surface will be free of debris, saving you valuable time and energy in the cleaning process. KIrSwp wall mount surface skimmer is made of durable polypropylene plastic that can withstand sun exposure and pool chemical corrosion to provide long-lasting performance and reliability and keep your pool clean. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.